How to create a blog page in WordPress with the Ocean WP theme. You're on the WordPress dashboard now. Click Pages in the left menu. The Pages list opens. Click Add New Page at the top. Type blog in the title field. Now leave the content area completely empty. This is the step most people get wrong because it feels like the page should have something on it. WordPress fills this page automatically with your published posts once it is assigned as the post page. Anything you type here just sits there. Click the Publish button in the top right. WordPress asks you to confirm, so click Publish again. Go back to the dashboard. Click Settings, then Reading. On the Reading screen, find the Your Homepage Displays section. Select a static page. Under Homepage, choose the page that should be the front of your site. The important one is below. Under Post page, open the drop-down and choose Blog. Do not pick Blog under Homepage. That would make your blog the front page, and every visitor would land straight on your articles instead of your main site. Scroll down and click Save Changes. WordPress now knows exactly where to send new posts. Next, create a test post. Go to Posts and click Add New Post. Type a real title into the title field. I'm using Ocean WP Blog Layout Test. Then type a few lines into the content block. Now find the Featured Image panel on the right. Click Set Featured Image and choose an image around 1200 by 800 pixels. That ratio works well in Ocean WP blog grids. Keep the same ratio across all posts because mixed image sizes make a blog archive look unfinished. Scroll down to the Categories panel. Click Add New Category, type Tutorials and press Enter. Make sure Tutorials is ticked. Then click Publish. Open your website in a new browser tab and type /blog after your domain. The blog page appears and the test post is already there. You didn't add it manually. WordPress pulled it the moment you saved it. Now return to the dashboard and click Appearance, then Customize. In the Customizer, click Blog in the left panel. Then click Blog Archives or the Blog Archive settings. This is where the layout is controlled. Find the Archives layout option. For a clean reading page, choose Full Width. That removes the sidebar and gives your articles the entire content area. If you want a sidebar, choose Right Sidebar. The sidebar can hold Search, Recent Post, Categories, and Archives. I would keep that to 1 or 2 widgets. Too many sidebar boxes pulls attention away from the article. Now look for the Blog Style option. Open it and choose Grid. Grid turns the archive into a card layout, which works especially well when your posts have featured images. Large Image gives you one big image above each post. Thumbnail keeps it smaller and left aligned. I'm choosing Grid. Watch the preview on the right as you change it. One post can look fine in any layout, but 6 posts will expose alignment problems. When you're happy, click Publish at the top of the customizer. Now add the blog page to your main navigation. Go back to the dashboard and click Appearance, then Menus. Select your main navigation menu from the drop-down. Under Pages, find Blog. Tick the box next to Blog and click Add to Menu. The blog item appears at the bottom of the menu list. Drag it to the spot you want, so the order reads something like Home, About, Services, Blog, Contact. Then click Save Menu. Visit the website again and click Blog in the navigation. The grid layout appears and your published article is sitting in the first card. Click into that article and check the title, featured image, content, categories, sidebar if you chose one, comments area, and navigation links. Then check the blog page on a mobile width. The grid can look completely different on a phone, so test it before you add 30 posts. Back in the dashboard, click Settings, then Reading. Find blog pages show at most. Change that number to 6. 6 to 10 posts per page is a good starting point. More than that makes the archive long and slow. Now organize the articles. Click Posts, then Categories. Add categories that match your content. Type WordPress, click Add New Category. Then add Marketing, and then Business. Assign one category to each post rather than using 10 different ones. A tight set of categories helps visitors find related posts. Make sure every important post has a featured image. If the blog page is empty, go back to Settings and Reading. Confirm a static page is selected and that Post page is set to Blog. Then check Posts and All Posts to make sure the articles are published, not stuck in drafts. If the page looks right but is not in the menu, go to Appearance and Menus and add Blog. If you use a caching plugin, clear the cache after you make these changes and check the page again in a private browsing window. Finally, load the site as a normal visitor would. Click Home, then Blog. Open an article, and then use the back arrow to return to the blog page. The navigation should hold up. If this helped you get the blog page working, leave a like, subscribe, and comment that this helped you. Comments pull in more people with the same search.